Parents, it's Miss Farrell here. I had a couple of you ask about looking back at old assignments for the catch-up day today, and I kind of wanted to show you guys how to do that. It's not required that they go back and do every single assignment they missed, but I know a couple of you were asking. Just at least make sure they get all the assignments done that were due this week, because we only put out 1 week of lessons, and then they're erased and we go to the next week. But that doesn't mean they're gone for good. So I'm going to show you where they are. So if you go on their iPad to Canvas, for some reason this is pulling up a little bit weird for me. And this is on my laptop. It's not on an iPad, so it's going to look a little bit different for you. But here would be our homeroom. Normally it doesn't look like this. Um, so if you go in there, they can still do their assignments for the whole week. Those are still all uploaded, except for Monday because we did not have school Monday. But if you want to go back and look at, assignments from weeks ago, you can do that. So I'm going to show you right now. If you on their iPad, again, it might look different. You're going to go to your dashboard. Okay. If they're not here, there's always a see all button that you can see all courses that they are connected to. Again, I have a lot of teacher courses, but they will have each subject. Okay, so they have their literacy, which is their module and skills. They have their math, and then they have their science and social studies. When I click on these, it's going to show all of the assignments and lessons. When you click on them, it will just show the ones that you guys can see currently, not any assignments that are in the future. So if you wanted to go back to the literacy assignments, you would click into this one, the ELA kindergarten. None of this is set up because we don't use these actual courses. We just use the homeroom, which connects to these courses, just to make it easier for your students. From here, you're going to go over to modules. You're not going to have all these pages because these are all my teacher pages. I'll go into student view to show you. You guys will probably see this. So you're going to click on modules. And this is module 1, unit 1, lesson 1. So that was the first week of school. And so it goes all the way to, we're about, let's see, we are around here. Okay. So it might keep going on. Hopefully it does not for you. But these are the ones that you can see. So if you wanted to go back, it will show, if I clicked in here and your student completed that, it will show up that you had already done it. Again, this is my teacher view, so it looks a little bit different. But you can go back and you can have them complete lessons if you want. Again, this is optional, but I know a couple of you were asking, so I wanted to show you how. So these are where you can find all the module and skills lessons. If I go back to my dashboard, if I go back to my dashboard, you can have them work on their math assignments, their science, and their social studies. It's the same thing. You'll go into the course, it says Vitalis, that's my maiden name, and you're always going to find the module tab on the side. You'll click on modules, and again, you can go back to the first lesson that they had this year if they didn't complete it. So I just wanted to show you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Dojo. Have a great day.